Hey guys, it's Mandy and I am super excited. I just got in my little mattress. We're about to unbox it. Let's go.